Alright, we're out and about today. And we went to pay our internet bill, which is done. Jocelyn's looking for a CD repair place because we bought a CD player when she first got to America 25 years ago. Probably close to 30 now. And it's not working right, so she wants to get it repaired. She has a lot of CDs. So we're looking for a place that might be able to repair it. So we're walking around the downtown of Castellones. I'm always thinking I got that wrong, but it's the best I can do, so that's what you got. I'll show you around. So we're on the highway. And there's a place down the street here, car wash across the street, that does videoke machines. Right there. For some reason it's not going to let me zoom today. I don't know why. Some days it doesn't like me zooming for some reason. Says I can't zoom in or out in this mode, so maybe you can tell me, if for those of you that are familiar with cell phone cameras, maybe you can tell me why all of a sudden sometimes I can't zoom. I don't know what mode I'm in, but it's video mode. So anyway, that's where we're at. And I had to hang back in case, you never know, the white guy following around, the foreigner tax, white tax, skin tax, whatever you want to call it. So I'm hanging back. That's where we're at. Not too busy on traffic today here. Doesn't seem to be as busy as downtown Subic. The market's up around the corner. Maybe I'll video that when we get back. We ordered a pizza at Sam's, which is a couple doors down from the internet converse where we pay our internet service. What'd you find out there?
Yeah, they said, she said they repaired it, but they need to see it.
Yeah.
And once they look at it, then they can
Give you an idea.
give it how much or an estimated cost.
Okay. There's another motor trade down there. That's not the one we went to, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is
Yeah,
the one we went
that
to?
one, yeah.
All right. So we're gonna walk back. I didn't bring my my holder today because I didn't. Maybe I did. I don't know. No, I did not. I didn't know if I'd be videoing. Some days I don't videotape or video record, I guess is the proper word. You can see as how it's not a tape. Those days are gone. So I think we should cross the street. Maybe too late. Want to wait?
Yeah.
Alright. There was a big opening here, but not the other side, I guess. Waited too long. Hey. Yeah.
Hello.
Not jammed. Steady. Oh, and if you see yourself on this video, which would be surprising to me because there's not a lot of people viewing it, but if you do see yourself in the video, just let me know and I'll take the video down or remove you if you tell me what the time of the recording. I'm not sure how that goes, but how many minutes in or whatever. Just tell me you're in here and you don't want to be on the video. I'll just remove the video. I don't care. It's not a big deal. I don't usually have that many people viewing my videos anyway. Mostly just family and friends. And I appreciate everybody that views and all the subscribers. Vacant house, I'm guessing. Little vacant house right downtown, baby. So there's a vacant house right downtown. Buy that lot, build a new house there. I think this might be an all-you-can-eat place. I don't know. Eat like a king. Sarap King. They have some house rules. You can't leave anything on your plate. You can't take anything out. And if you leave any leftovers, you get a 200 penalty for each person with leftovers of any meat and side dishes. You have a time limit of 1 hour and 30 minutes. So whatever you can eat in an hour and 30 minutes, I guess you can fill her up. Oh, I guess Josie's
It's on that side. Looks like.
on that side street.
Yeah.
We can get down there if you want.
Yeah.
Shoe store, printing service,
Look at it.
dental clinic. Not down in here, right? Down the side street. Hi.
Look at this.
Sometimes that is not that accurate, you know. Shows you somebody's house, but it's really nothing. Laboratory. Down this way or that way? Ramos Street. Well, we're almost to the 8-minute mark. That's about the limit to my video attention span. So I'm going to turn it off, and if anything comes out of this adventure, I will let you know.